What if I told you there's a city in Italy that doesn't try to impress you, yet completely steals your heart? As evening falls over Turin, the streets begin to glow, the crowds soften, and the real magic quietly takes over. No crowds, no chaos, just timeless streets, golden lights, and moments that feel almost unreal. Tonight, we're not chasing landmarks, we're chasing a feeling. This is Turin. And this is what it feels like to walk through it at night. This is Tripinn, where we don't chase highlights, we uncover what's hiding in plain sight. Where travel isn't just about places, but about the feeling a place leaves behind. So, if you enjoy discovering the real side of cities, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell, and let's explore together. There's something special about wandering through Turin in the evening. The wide boulevards and elegant arcades begin to fill with locals heading out for their nightly routines. Soft conversations echo through the streets and the city feels alive, but never rushed. Every corner feels cinematic, like a scene from a classic Italian film. And as we walk, you realize this city isn't meant to be rushed, it's meant to be felt. Walking through these arcades in Turin feels calm and cinematic. With soft lights and quiet footsteps echoing around you, there's no rush. Just a peaceful rhythm that makes the city feel alive in its own subtle way. As you move forward, the warm glow, old stone paths, and cozy cafes create a simple but beautiful atmosphere. Sometimes the best way to experience a place like this is to just keep walking. Walking into this grand square in Turin, you're instantly surrounded by history and quiet elegance. The glowing lights, the open space, and the iconic statues create a scene that feels both powerful and peaceful at the same time. As you move across the wide stone pavement, everything slows down. The soft chatter of people, the gentle night air, and the timeless beauty of the architecture make this moment feel truly unforgettable. Walking down this lively street in Turin, the atmosphere instantly feels vibrant and modern. The glowing lights above, the stylish storefronts, and the buzz of people create a perfect evening energy.
Grazie, Rossini.
As you continue, the mix of shopping, cafes, and warm conversations makes the whole place feel alive yet relaxed. It's the kind of street where you don't just walk through, you slow down, look around, and truly enjoy the moment.
Però vabbè, qualcosa ti dico, io ormai ho fatto richiesta, quindi capire l'altro che
As darkness settles in, the energy shifts, but it stays elegant. You might hear distant music, laughter, or the sound of footsteps echoing through the arcades.
What it look like?
Couples stroll hand in hand, friends gather, and the city feels quietly alive. It's not loud or chaotic. It's refined, relaxed, and effortlessly charming. Turin at night feels like a secret you're lucky to discover. And just like that, our evening walk comes to an end. But Turin's charm lingers. This city doesn't need flashy attractions. It wins you over with its atmosphere.
It's 200, yeah?
If you enjoyed this peaceful walk, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more travel experiences. Join us on Tripinn, where every journey feels like a story waiting to unfold. Dive into our Complete Italy playlist and keep exploring with us. Or check out Boston Beyond the Freedom Trail for a whole new adventure. Your next journey starts here.